Yeah.
Casey, sa sobrang busy na ngayon, dami mong endorsements, may mga side, ano ka pa. Yung love life ba, hindi mo naman ba nakakaligtaan or nasasantaan?
No, I mean, kung sino man ang naging special sa akin, I think hindi ako nagkulang sa pag-express sa kanila ng pagmamahal ko. Pero I would like to be in a relationship kasi na hindi tinatago or hindi secret. I really would love to be able to express my love yung freely.
So ngayon ba, prepared ka ba?
Ngayon, I didn't have a Valentine this month, but I'm really happy naman because God gave me this time to reconnect with my family and my friends, and maganda rin yung nangyari kasi parang, you know, in a relationship, diba, there's two sides to the story naman, and you have to also see kung saan ka rin nagkukulang or ano rin ang pwede mo pang i-improve sa sarili mo para maging mas maganda yung takbo ng relationship mo in the future. Yun yung nangyari sa akin with this time na meron ako na mag-focus dun sa mga pwede pang i-improve sa sarili ko.
Casey, do you consider yourself the type who gives second chances?
Yes.
Of course. And I have no regrets. If you give someone a second chance, no regrets, no matter the outcome.
Regarding not having a Valentine, I may be wrong, but it's only because you won't allow yourself to have one by choice.
I just want to make sure that, you know, I fall in love with a good, kind person. I just want to make sure that whoever I give my heart to will take care of my heart, and I will take care of his too.